Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to use the free t-shirt vector template, and again the download link is on the description below. So before we start guys, please subscribe if you're new here, and also don't forget to click the notification bell so you're always updated on any new videos that I will have in the future. So let's start. So as you can see here, from white t-shirt I have applied header gray or header silver background on the t-shirt. So again, you can use any pattern that you like on the t-shirt. So if you have already pattern, you can uh, apply it in the t-shirt. So again, you can also use this free template as a uniform markup if you want to design a t-shirt uniform, a chronic t-shirt uniform. Then you can adjust the color. You can have a multi-color t-shirt or color blocking t-shirt. So just simply click each part. So that's how easy to use this template. And also you can use the free template as a fashionable t-shirt, as you can see here. From plain t-shirt template, I have improved the design to a fashionable t-shirt. So you can use your own logo, you can put it anywhere you like. Okay, so you can put cut and sew design anywhere you want, just like this. And also you can use the free template as a esport jersey design for your business. You can also practice, you can use also the templates to practice your design skill on how to design e-jersey t-shirt or e-sport jerseys. You can use also this jersey to design any sportswear, just like soccer jersey or any chronic sportswear that you can think of. So again, I hope this template can help your design skill, and also I hope this template can help your business. Again guys, this template is free to use. So anything or anywhere you want to use this, it's applicable. So again, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell if you enjoy this video. I hope this template will help you guys. Thanks guys. Okay, now guys, in this video I will show you how you can get the free template. So once you click the link, you will see this website, just click on free basic t-shirt description and click and scroll down and click on the name fair price. Just put 0, then click add to cart, then click the checkout, then just click your email, then click get, then once you click the get button, now check your email. So on the email you will see the download link on your inbox. Just click the download link, then that's how easy it is. So you can use your free basic t-shirt fashion flat template any way you want. Okay, thanks guys, enjoy.